everyone, welcome back to the studio, and today I am going to continue working on my abstract seascapes, and I'm going to try out today going directly with the Gelli plate onto the painting. So I've grabbed my Gelli plate. This one, it is what size? 8 by 10 inches, 20 by 25 centimeters. This is the size of it when it's out of the pack. I'm going to keep this one of the backings on so I can have a bit more stability instead of it wiggle wobbling all over the place when I press on. So let's give it a whirl. So I've got a few paints out, sticking with the same colour palette for now. You know, I started this with the yellow and blue. This is a gold colour. It's really runny. I know it's really runny, so I have to be careful with this. I wanted to try gold, some metallics, so we'll just have a little go with those to start with. There we go. I knew it was going to come out liquidy. Oh, I've got to grab my roller. There we go. Got my roller. It's ages since I've used my Gelli plate, so I have to remember what I'm doing. Just want to get some kind of texture onto the paintings. What's this? I'm just going to scribble some marks in that. Let's see what happens. Always up for a surprise. So I'll put it on this blue area, and if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to go down on the floor, you know, like I often do. Give it a rub. Not bad. Let's continue, see if we can get another. So it's made a nice layer because it's a little bit transparent because it's liquid. Let's continue. Quite liking this gold, so I'll continue a little bit. And maybe add some copper colour. Now, I haven't used any. Oh no, that's come out really quick as well. I should have known. What can I do? Grab a palette. Grab a palette and a scrapey. Scrape some of that off, ready for next time. Happy accidents. You know, you don't really need a Gelli plate to do this. This is basically called monoprinting. And, well, you can just do this with a piece of paper. What should I do? Let's grab a paintbrush. Let's go over this bit. Ooh, some nice effects. I like it. I'll just change up this one. For this one. Not particularly liking that, so I'll go over that. So I will just use up, this on another painting while I've got it out. Really lovely organic marks going on. And if you've been watching this series from the beginning, you'll know that there's a third one. A bigger one. This one's 80 by 80. Just squeeze some more paint on and give that one a go. Okay, for me, it's all about experimenting and testing things out. I've never tried the Gelli plate directly onto the canvas before. I think I've done it on some boards, but with the canvas being more flexible, I haven't tried it. Well, first time for everything, and I'm getting some interesting textures on this layer. Let's try some blues. Okay, so I've got this light blue, what does it say? Ultramarine, light ultramarine. I don't think I've used it before. Nice. I haven't cleaned my plate. I'm just going to go straight over. Ooh. Nice. I'm looking forward to see how this turns out. I'm going to go in this corner. Oh, it's not exactly where I wanted it, but oh. Nice. I'll keep going. I don't particularly like the lines that it's making from the edges of the gel plate, so maybe I'll just roll over that. Going very lightly. It's making the same effect. Let's try another one. Someone just knocked at the door, so I've just got this idea just to put some paper on in case I can't get straight back up again, to just clean off my plate and make some lovely collage paper. I'm going to leave that on there to dry, see what happens when I come back. Okay, so I'm back. I've been gone about 45 minutes, so we'll see how this looks. There wasn't much left on there, but well, I can use that again. Use it again. Just put it to one side. Where was I? I got that one off. With this lovely blue. Yeah. It's a good way to clean your plate, though, that. Still got some of that goldy on there. Really lovely. I'm loving this blue. But I might add some white. A little try. Like I said, just trying to get texture. Oops. It's slippery. So this is transferring from the plate to the roller with the same marks, which is lucky. Let's try it on the other one. So just put the same colours on, the white and the blue. And, might leave it at that. It looks very watery, doesn't it? Bubbly. Let's try it. I'm making this circle, so maybe these circles will work well. Like it. It's very slippery. Yes. Have I got any more to try? No, but I like this. I may just continue a little bit. I don't want to overdo it, but I know. I'll do some collage paper for that piece that I didn't quite cover. I'll go for that one as well. Nice. Still got a little bit of this copper left, so I'm just going to put that on there. And let's put another piece. I'm going to put another piece on to do what I did before and clean the plate. So I'm happy with that session. A quick session, a really quick session, because I've got to go out again. Loving these bubbly marks here. This one too, this blue is a new discovery. And I love these textures that this gold's making. Do a close up. And this one too. I've got some really good textures with the Gelli plate, or with just a piece of paper monoprinting on. If you're interested in joining me for some live painting together, I'll put the link below. For now, I will leave you with some imagery from the last exhibition. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.